let's talk about the course.
Yeah.
Because it's awesome.
Yeah.
So give people the tour.
Well, the tour is that we have 13 modules that are deep education. We drill down into the key concepts that comprise the Primal Blueprint, the 8 key concepts, and the 5 action items that are originally detailed in the 21-day total body transformation, but they also embody the 10 Primal Blueprint laws. And you might say, well, wait a minute, I've been on Mark's Daily Apple, I know pretty much about what you do, I've read your books, so I think I get it. The number of people who've gone through the original Primal Blueprint expert certification thinking, got this, and then all of a sudden go, wow, these guys go really, really deep. We go into not just what you do and why you do it, but how it works at the cellular level. So we want people to understand, and really we use the term grok, to grok what it is, the importance of these opportunities and decisions and choices that we make, how everything exists on a spectrum of pretty good choices to not so good choices, and how you can learn how the body operates and how it works in order to make the best choices that serve you in the short term and in the long term. So in each of these modules, and it's a long course, it's 110,000 words of text, and there are videos in each of the modules. But at the end of each module, there's an exam, and you have to pass the exam to be able to move on to the next module. And by the time you get through the 13 modules and you've gotten your expert knowledge, that's when Christine comes along, and we start talking about, okay, now let's talk about the coaching component. How do you take the knowledge that you've just embodied, and how do you use it and make it a gift to others in a way that serves them and serves you, and perhaps can allow you to make a living doing this at something that you're passionate about. So the basic modules in the coaching program.
Yeah, the coaching program was so fun to co-create. We talk about everything from coaching skills, things like active listening, perception checking, to building your business, to what it takes to really be a coach and have it be sustainable. And also sales. A lot of times we have all the information. Learning is the easy part. Not easy in terms of it's still comprehensive and there's a lot you need to learn, but that's sort of more the comfort zone part.
Sure.
But when you get out there and I'm sitting across from somebody and I have
and they ask you a question that you've never heard before.
You never heard, or you want to invite them into a coaching conversation, that's when it's like, oh, sweaty palms. So we really talk about sales and enrollment. And so you get practice, and you start to have a vocabulary around how to have those conversations with people. Because that's the biggest obstacle I've noticed with people, especially health coaches. They have the knowledge, but it's the business skills and the confidence to go out and enroll people.